Today we will start with program uh, palindrome string or not. Question says that write a program that reads a string and check whether it is a palindrome string or not. Means you have to check your string is palindrome or not. For this, I have a program. Now I'm typing this program for a in range in bracket mid and colon if string a is equals to string rev, then a plus equals to 1, then rev minus equals to 1, then else print string comma is not a palindrome, then break, otherwise print string is a palindrome. This is a complete program. Now save this file. Name of this file is palindrome. Underscore string dot py. Now program is saved. Question says that you have to take one string from the user and check it whether this string is palindrome or not. In the last class, I explained this. Meaning of palindrome is if you read your string from left to right or right to left, that time string is remain same. Then only you have to say this string is palindrome. Otherwise, string is not palindrome. Take an example. Run this code. If I typed here M A D A M, that is called madam. Now press enter key. Here we get an error. What is the error? Here I used only divide sign. This divide sign always return floating point number. Just again see this. If I have taken divide sign and taking input like MADAM, then it will generate an error. Why? Float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Means here we are getting the value of mid in float. Look this. If we want to see this, print the value of mid and make this comment for some time. Now run this code. MADAM. Now you see this, you will get only 2.5. You get 2.5. 2.5 is in float. Means here we are getting the value of mid is 2.5 by the help of this operator, or floating point number cannot work in the for loop. Clear? So for this you have to take floor division sign. You have to take floor division sign. In this case, it will generate an integer number, or according to integer number, it will work. Here, it will not generate any error. Just again compile and run this code. Type MADAM, madam. Now see this. Madam is a palindrome. Palindrome, why? If you read this from left to right side like this, first M came, then A, then D, then A, then M. Or if you read from right to left, again you have to see MADAM. Means either you have to see, read your character from left to right or right to left, it remains same. So that time this type of string is known as palindrome. Or suppose you have to take any other number या other characters like sir, SIR, sir. ठीक है? Now see this. Sir is not a palindrome, because if you read from this side left to right, SIR, or in the from the right to left, RIS, so both are not equal. That's why it is not a palindrome. This concept is clear? Concept is clear? Yes or no? Concept
सर
कि what?
मतलब
Yes.
सर मतलब बुक में गलत दिया हुआ है ना.
There is something misprinting, तो यहाँ पर कुछ कर लेना. Mid equals to length floor division, means 2 times you have to write divide sign. Clear?
और सर आपने जो प्रोग्राम लिखा उसमें REV का क्या मतलब है?
Now I will explain this. Wait for some time. I will explain complete program. Okay.
Okay sir.
Now look this. First of all, by using this line, you have to take value from the user. Okay. So this time I have taken MADAM. Okay. Our input is, now I'm writing here MADAM. So what is the length of this, madam? How many characters are present here?
5.
5. So by using this statement, the value of length is 5, because the length of string is 5. So length is 5. Now mid equals to length floor division by 2. What will we get here? What is the value of mid after dividing this by 2?
2.
Very good, 2. Because look this, when we divide this 5 by 2, we will get 2.5. और ये क्या करेगा, इस 0.5 को हटा देगा. क्या करेगा, इस 0.5 को हटा देगा, तो we will get only 2. ठीक है? तो value of mid is 2. Value of mid is 2. Now the value of REV is -1. So value of mid is 2. Value of REV is -1. Now here MADAM. Madam, I have written like this. Now see the index value. Index value of M is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Clear? Now type has. Clear? Similarly, one more line I am taking here for backward indexing. That means -5, -4, then -3, then -2, then -1. Clear? -5, -4, -3, -2 और -1. This is the backward indexing, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a forward indexing. This REV here I am taking for backward indexing, means it will compare this M with last one M according to the index value. So see this, for A in range mid, the value of mid is 2. Value of mid is 2. Now if string, what is the value of A here? When the value of mid is 2, what is the value of A? Anybody knows? Anybody knows what is the value of A?
No, sir.
Value of A is 0 because the value of mid is 2. Value of mid is 2, so means it will work for 0 index और 1 इंडेक्स, क्योंकि मिड की वैल्यू क्या है 2 है, 2 - 1 दैट इज 1, तो 0 चलेगा 1 तक जाएगा. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट टाइम द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 0. नाउ स्ट्रिंग एट 0 इंडेक्स, व्हाट इज दिस? M. At 0 index there is M, and string rev. Now the value of rev is -1. Rev is -1. So at the -1 index there is also M. देखो
M.
ठीक है, ये नेगेटिव इंडेक्स है, ये पॉजिटिव इंडेक्स है. तो इन पॉजिटिव इंडेक्स देयर इज M, इन नेगेटिव इंडेक्स देयर इज आल्सो M. ठीक है, चेक इट, बोथ आर इक्वल. Yes, M is equals to M. Condition is true. If condition is true, now you increment the value of A. So new value of A is 1. Clear? And the value of REV is REV की नई वैल्यू
Sir,
क्या होगी?
A.
The value of REV
A
is
-1.
REV की वैल्यू होगी रिवर्स -1. तो रिवर्स की वैल्यू थी आपकी -1, -1, दैट मीन्स -2. न्यू वैल्यू ऑफ REV इज -2. Look this, REV equals to REV -1. So what is the initial value of REV? That is -1. -1 and -1, that is -2. So -2 is the last value. ठीक है, न्यू वैल्यू -2 is the new value of REV. So this is the new value of REV, -2, or new value of A is 1. ठीक है, again you have to search. Now a string, what is written here?
A.
So that means
1.
1 इंडेक्स पे क्या मिलेगा? A. क्लियर? फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पे क्या मिला मुझे? A. क्लियर? नाउ इक्वल टू string REV, value of REV is -2. So at -2 index, what is this? A. -2 इंडेक्स पे भी हमारा A है. Again see this, A is equals to A. Condition is
True.
true. If this condition is true, then again you have to increment the value of A. Now the new value of A is 2. अब A की नई वैल्यू क्या बन जाएगी? न्यू वैल्यू
2.
ऑफ A is 2. ठीक है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एंड रिवर्स वैल्यू इज, अब रिवर्स क्या हो जाएगी? -3.
-3.
ठीक है, नाउ चेक दिस, A comes in this range, yes or no? A आएगा भाई?
No.
नो, बिकॉज द रेंज ऑफ A is 2 था यहाँ पर, तो 0 और 1 के लिए चलेगा, 2 के लिए चलेगा नहीं. कंडीशन इज फॉल्स. कम हियर, नीचे आएंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड लूप एल्स. ये एल्स नॉर्मल एल्स नहीं है. पेपर में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, डिफाइन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लूप एल्स, या डिफाइन लूप एल्स ब्लॉक. ठीक है, लूप एल्स विल एक्सिक्यूट व्हेन योर लूप इज टर्मिनेट सक्सेसफुली. ठीक है, प्रॉपरली. जब आपका लूप जो है प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट हो रहा है, प्रॉपरली तो हुआ यहाँ पर, जब सारे स्टेप मैं चल चुका हूँ, सारे स्टेप पूरे होने के बाद मैं एल्स में आऊंगा, दैट टाइम लूप एल्स विल एग्जीक्यूट. क्लियर? So we will get a message string, that means madam is a palindrome. String means madam is a palindrome. We will get a message like this. Just again you have to search. Check this, madam. Now madam is palindrome. If you write like M capital ADAM, then madam is not a palindrome. Why? Because here first at zero index there is capital M, or at minus index there is small m. Both are different. That's why it is not a palindrome. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? ठीक है. Take this example, MADAM. Now again the value of mid is 2, then reverse equals to -1. Now value of A is 0. Look this, when the value of at index number A is M, यहाँ पर मिला हमें क्या, capital M. Look this, capital M is equals to small m. This condition is false. ये condition मेरी false हो रही है, तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा? Come here in the else part, and we will get a message print, मतलब string क्या है, madam is not a palindrome. This time here m is capital. जो m है, फर्स्ट m है मैडम का, वो क्या है, कैपिटल है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट अ पैलिंड्रोम. ये पैलिंड्रोम नहीं है. एंड देन हमें क्या मिलेगा, ब्रेक मिलेगा. ब्रेक इज अ जंप स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, जैसे जंप स्टेटमेंट मिला हमें, तो हम ये लूप से बाहर आ जाएंगे. जब लूप से बाहर आएंगे तब ये एल्स रन नहीं होगा. ठीक है, लूप एल्स तभी चलेगा, ये वाला एल्स तभी एग्जीक्यूट होगा जब हमारा लूप प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट होगा. इस टाइम पर ये लूप प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें ब्रेक मिल रहा है. ब्रेक मिलके हम जबरदस्ती बाहर आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, जब हमें ब्रेक मिलेगा तो हम जंप कर जाएंगे, बाहर आ जाएंगे. प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट नहीं हुआ. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी 1 वाला स्टेप तो रह ही गया था, 1 वाला तो एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं हुआ. तो जब हमारा लूप प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट होता है तब लूप का एल्स एग्जीक्यूट होगा. जब हमारा लूप प्रॉपरली टर्मिनेट नहीं होगा तो हम लूप के एल्स ब्लॉक में नहीं आएंगे. कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Name is list manipulation. In list manipulation, first question is given in the type C programming practice knowledge based question. First question is, write a program that reverse an array of integer. Reverse an array of integers. That means array of integer. Array means होता है list. Clear? Means when we take similar types of element in a single variable, that is called array. So this belongs to list. Array जो word आता था वो आता था C++ में और C language में. ठीक है, so here in Python we read this array as a list. So first of all you have to take list from the user. LST equals to eval. Eval is a function is used to take list. Eval input, enter your list. In this manner you have to take value from the user, and then question says that program that reverse an array of integer. That means you have to reverse this list. So lst dot reverse, reverse, this is a function, and then print lst. Now save this program. reverse reverse underscore list dot py. Now save, then run this code. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know very well we have